Keyboard sounds not working on your iPhone? This can be annoying. Well, if the keyboard sound on your iPhone isn't working, then don't worry. You can easily fix this issue by following these troubleshooting steps. So let's get started. Before you start, make sure to turn it off. Do not disturb mode, turn off low power mode, and turn off silent mode. Solution 1. Check keyboard sound settings. Open settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. Scroll down to the Sounds and Haptics section. Make sure to tap Keyboard Feedback is turned on. Enable Sounds is enabled. If it's already on, tap the toggle to turn it off and turn it back on again. Also ensure your volume is turned up. While typing, press the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone to increase the volume. If the volume is too low, the keyboard sound may not be noticeable. By following these steps, your keyboard sound should be working again. If this guide helped you out, then don't forget to subscribe for more tips and stay tuned for the next video.